I started with a small capital in my trading account and I blew it, but I took it as a lesson and I did not give up. Hi guys, my name is Shivam and I'm 23 years old. So I started trading in December 2019 and it has been a pretty wonderful journey till now with lots of lessons learned. The one thing I like about trading is the freedom associated with it. Of course, there is a financial freedom which it provides you with, as there is no limit to what you can earn in the market. But also the fact that you can trade from anywhere in the world with just your laptop and an internet connection. You get to choose your own hours, and even if you are a working professional, you can always trade in the commodities market, which is open till 11:30 p.m. The best thing about trading is the range of emotions you go through when you are in a trade. It helps you in knowing yourself as a person. Also, the feeling when you plot your levels and plan a trade, you execute it and it goes right in the direction in which you had anticipated it to go. The feeling of accomplishment you get after that happens is it's quite exciting. My road to consistency has been full of lots of ups and downs. I started with a small capital in my trading account and I blew it, but I took it as a lesson and I did not give up. The community provides you with a lot of support. The lessons of Ritvik, Akash, and my mentors Shubham and Abhishek Bhai has helped me a lot to achieve consistency in my trading. My favorite trade is the one which I took in Reliance. Reliance had its annual general meeting, and the stock after the meeting started falling down, and I had shorted it. It gave me a return of around 25%. So to keep my emotions in check while I'm in a trade, I do not look at the P&L. Initially, I used to do it, and that resulted in me taking some bad decisions. So I like to follow proper position sizing and risk management in my trading. So if you have a proper risk to reward ratio when you are entering a trade, even if your stop loss is hit, the loss will be within your risk appetite. So psychologically, you will always be balanced. You will not let the emotions get the better of you because you know that this loss is within my risk appetite. Some points I would like to tell the beginners are firstly, focus on the process. So when you're starting in the market, do not look at the monetary aspect of trading. Focus on the process of trading and learn as much as you can. Learn whatever points you can about trading, about whatever levels you have plotted, where did your trade go wrong. Journal your trades daily. Journaling your trades will enable you to know what entries went wrong, which trades went against you, what mistakes are you consistently making in the market, which is resulting in you making losses. The third thing I would want to say to the beginners is focus on consistent gains. Small and consistent gains will enable you to achieve consistency faster. If you are focusing on 20-30% returns in a single trade, that won't do it. You have to focus on small gains, focus on net green in a week or net green in a month. Also, do not let a loss affect you so much that you cling on to it. You have to move on from it. Okay, even if you're red for a day, you have to focus on the next day as a new day and start new, start afresh, right? So thanks guys.